smoke is disappearing, exposed our broken feelings. I don't know how we got here, but boy, I'm glad we're still here. Was sad to see you leaving. You had your reasons. I don't know how we got here, but I wouldn't be going through the phases, baby, and we've been acting crazy lately. And I just wanna let you know that all these feelings come and go. Been going through the phases, baby, and I can feel the times are changing. And I just wanna let you know that everyone goes through these phases, baby.
Ice cream, my mom's sweater.
Late nights, my palms with her.
Umbrellas for teardrops. I love you, I fear not. Phases of life faces, huh? Every day they keep changing, huh? We just gotta stay patient, huh? We ain't made love in ages, damn. This that dad of the year, right? This is what I dream for, right? This they take the kids aside to practice. Everybody scream, that's goes right. You ain't gotta check my Twitter now. You can stop acting bitter now. This that natural feeling now. So you can't trust the future now.
I've been holding out, it's hard to hide the truth. You've been good to me, and all I do is lie to you. To you. You should know that there's another side of me. I never will take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me, show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies.
There are things you need to know. Things I need to show you.
It was out of fear I turned you away. Hold on to me, here's a ticket to my darkest place. Now you know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me and show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. the backseat, I'll be a chauffeur. Only for you, I break my enclosure. You close your eyes, I lead the way. Show ya my fantasies. Show you all my
Fantasy.
Guys, I just murdered my workout today. I'm probably sweating. That's gross. But what I'm starting to do is save all of my workouts to my story on Instagram. So if you guys go to the gym, you can just check it out under the fitness tab. But I really need to get in a good sweat today. I'm gonna feel this tomorrow, you guys. Oh my gosh. I feel so refreshed. I also started out with 30 minutes of cardio, and I'm not ready to stop working out, but my abs are done. So I need to figure out what we're gonna do next. But this is like my new best friend. Getting it in high gear, you guys. So check out my stories for my workouts if you guys want some simple body weight movements and easy at-home workouts / strength training. It was a great workout. We were so happy that we went and got it in. I actually have some crystal water here marinating underneath the moon energy in Leo, which is my sign. So shout out to all you guys that did your meditations and all of that good stuff. I actually am about to do my meditation. I like to do it after I shower, so I'm like physically clean, and then I'll light some sage or Palo Santo, whatever it is that I have, and I'll really just focus in on grounding my energy. But for some reason I have the best meditations after my workouts. I feel like it's because I'm physically moving my body, I'm getting everything inside flowing and releasing all those like built up tension from my chakras, and I'm really able to focus in on clearing out all those blockages, especially when I use my crystals. And I like to meditate with headphones. You guys know this, with meditation sounds. So I have a whole playlist on my Spotify, as you guys know, called Meditation Zone, if you guys are looking for some meditation relaxing music to do your own meditations, self-guided of course. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do the rest of today, and then I've got a ton of cleaning to do with the apartment really badly. Also, question, where do you guys get your bedspreads from? Because I'm getting rid of this black one. It holds on to and clings to so much lint. It's not even funny. Do not get black bedding. I do not recommend it. Even if you think it's not going to be linty, lint will find its way onto it. So if you have any good recommendations of places to get duvet covers, let your girl know. I think I saw a really cute one on like IKEA, so I don't know, that's like a whole day trip right there. So I don't know if I feel like doing that today. Maybe I can order it online to save myself the time and energy of going through that maze. But I just wanted to check in. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I have to go. This hair is doing the most. You guys, I burnt my forehead the other day, so that's blessed. So let's see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, see, fitness can kind of go in and literally so many, okay, just kidding, so many workouts for different parts of your body. So my thing here, this hair, I'm never gonna get over it. My thing is I want to do different types of workouts. So maybe I'll do a day this week where I focus in on booty band workouts, my favorite ones, or my favorite ankle weight workouts, or my arm workout, which I really need to do a post on that. I have a whole video on it, but I feel like for quick, oh, let me hop on Instagram and get some inspo, like I do that shit all the time. So I thought it would be super helpful to create a highlight for you guys and also myself too, just to do some different things and switch it up. So that's what I'm gonna focus on this week, is updating some of my favorite workouts, obviously, for you guys and share them on the gram. But I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight. I actually have a HelloFresh delivery coming tomorrow, so I don't want to go to Trader Joe's. Kind of just want to eat what I have now. I think I have like a meal prep or whatever from last night. Alright, you guys, I finally got dressed. I need to hurry up because I need to go get gas in my car before I get to my friend's place. But I don't hate this look as much as I was thinking. You know, like when you have an outfit in mind, you put it on and it's like, it looked better in my head before. That's kind of like this. So I've been meaning to wear this cute cropped puffer. It's very lightweight, but it's kind of chilly outside, so I wanted to do some sort of a layer. Mind you, I don't know what we're doing yet. So I just wanted to do something casual. Underneath, I have this long sleeve black bodysuit. This jacket's from Dawskill. This is from Hot Miami. And then these jeans are from Misguided. Nice little distressing. And of course, I'm busting out my Angela Roy bag. I have no idea what the name of this is. I'm blanking on it right now, but I'll leave it linked down below. It's vegan leather. It's so freaking cute. I did a full-blown review and unboxing on this bag. It is probably my favorite, and I don't wear it enough, and it has a longer strap on the back. Sometimes I'll just like kind of carry both straps together like this, but it's like the perfect size for all of your essentials, day and nighttime. And then of course this is my hair. Did a neutral lip, soft eyes, lashes, liner, all that fun stuff. But that is my outfit for tonight. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I think I'm gonna cut it off right here and start fresh in the morning. I feel like it's been all over the place, honestly, with these clips. Oh, my shoes, sorry. Just doing ankle boots, a thick heel, something cozy and comfortable to prance around in. So I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye!